So I'm a fan of all types of racing. If it's got a motor, I like to watch it race. It doesn't matter what it is, so that also includes NASCAR. And not just the NASCAR Monster Energy Cup Series, but I like to watch all the series of NASCAR, and this includes the Gander Outdoor Truck Series. And in my mind, the Truck Series is where it's at. These guys, they're like a no holds barred. They don't hold anything back. They just do what they do, and they put everything they have into it to try to make a name for themselves, because a lot of them are younger guys. You got some older guys there, but the level of competition is outstanding, and it's a blast to watch. So they were just here in Texas at the Texas Motor Speedway for the SpeedyCash.com 400. And decided to go ahead and check it out. I will say that I have seen the NASCAR Monster Energy Cup there last year at Texas Motor Speedway, and we also went and saw the IndyCar race there last year, and they don't even compare to what we witnessed last Friday. Like I said, the level of competition was just through the roof, and there was all sorts of cautions, there was all sorts of passes. It was pretty exciting. So without further ado, here's some of the video from it. Hope you guys enjoy it.